Assalamu alaikum viewers. In previous video we explained time invariant and time variant system. Okay, uh, we have example of time invariant and time variant system, which is actually v of t equal to 2 plus x of t. In this example we basically check the property of time variant and time invariant system. Okay, in this example we basically follow the procedure step from this diagram which we defined in previous video. Okay, so here is example is y of t equal to 2 plus x of t. Okay, in this example we follow the step. Step number 1 is, here is step number 1 we define in previous video. X of t we will pass from the system, the output will be occur here. Y of t, this output will be passed from the system. Here we bringing some delay t naught and check the output of the system. If the system occurs some time delay or occur no some delay, so we check here basically this thing. So I write here step 1, we pass x of t input from the system, and from this passing from the system actually we check here time invariant and or time variant system. Actually x of t passing from time from the system, and we check time invariant or time variant system property. So after passing from the system, here output occur y of t which is equal to 2 plus x of t. Okay, basically this is step 1, and here this output then we passing from the system and bringing some delay t naught. So here I write output and then passing from the system. After passing from the system I bringing some delay t minus t naught. Okay, so this is step 1 basically, and here is the output occur 2 plus xt minus t naught. So there is delay occur, so the system time invariant system, and here also we check step 2. Basically we follow the 2 steps to check time invariant and time variant system property. Okay, I follow the step 2 which we define in this diagram. X of t we pass from here for step 2 bringing some delay t naught, and this delay after bringing some delay we pass from the system. From this, after passing from the system, we have v of t output is occur, and then we check here is some delay occur or no or not. So after this we check both of system. If the both of system equal, so the system will be time invariant system. If both are not equal, so the system is time variant system. So basically here is step number 2 we follow. I have input x of t, I bring some delay t minus t naught, and then I pass it from the system. Okay, after passing from the system we have some output occur, then we check the output. So basically this is x of into t minus t naught delay we passing from the system, and there is output occur 2 plus x t minus t naught. This is the output. Then we check if the both step 1 step 2 equals to the time, the system will be time invariant system. So basically both of step 1 step 2 is equal, so there is time invariant system. And actually we directly check from step 1 if there is any delay occurs, so the system will be time variant system, and if there is no delay occurs, so the system is time variant system. So actually in this video we actually learn some example of time invariant and time variant system. Okay.